Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. I'm currently, or rather we are currently at the National Theatre, Costain, Lagos, Nigeria, and I'll be showing you the update, the things that have been done on this National Theatre, because there has been some work lately going on here about maintaining and rehabilitation and co. So I'll be showing you about the construction and other things that have been happening in this vicinity. Starting from the road, you will notice that the road are now done on interlock. Before, it used to be the regular road in Nigeria where they just pour that black stuff. They call it scrotal. So now it's done with interlocking, and people see the glasses are also doing fine. They are all working on them, and they're making sure it stand out, because this national theatre holds a very big place in the hearts of Nigerians. Even in the history of Nigeria, this national theatre holds a big place. So that's why the maintenance is very necessary. And also, the premises of this place has been closed for some time so that people don't mess up the construction that is going on. But it's currently just open now for people to walk in and have fun. But the National Theatre itself, it's not open to the public yet. So I'm just under a tree resting for walking for some minutes now, and right behind me there is the National Theatre. As you can see, it's a very beautiful piece of art, and honestly I would commend those that built this during the years when it was built. And I know I wasn't born then, and so are some of us watching this video right now, but I know this really stand out. Look at the design, but it doesn't even feel like an old structure. It still looks very new and very nice. I will go closer to show you guys a closer look on how it is now, and also hear from you guys what you think about this masterpiece. So as you can see, there are new gates. All these things were built like cages to protect people from going inside. Avoid unauthorized people from going into the National Theatre without permissions. So that is why these gates are built like this. There are several checkpoints, and also you could see the barbed wires up. This is for protection for those who might want to climb it. This place is very beautiful, and I'm really impressed with the build of this place and the development of this place. Um, Last time when I was here, it wasn't as clean as this. The grasses wasn't well maintained, and people were just everywhere. But trust me, now it is somewhere you can write home about. And the last time I came here, there were also a lot of retailers who sell like ice creams and things you might want to drink. But now, none of them are here anymore. So I just passed another security point. So I noticed that in this place now there's several entrances now. And now this entrance has name A, B. They are named alphabetically, and that is why the entrance are merged. I think I just passed entrance E, and there is always a security checkpoint there. Before you go, you need to be checked, and also they need to know the reason why you're coming inside the National Theatre. But that's not at the main gate. Actually, on the main gate is free entrance, because through this entrance you could also go to the Costain terminal. That's for the Blue Line train. So the entrance to the National Theatre environment is free, but entrance into the main theatre itself, it's not free. So I think there will be some amount you need to pay, but I don't know the exact amount now, so I won't give out any information on that. So I'm currently behind a swamp at the National Theatre. I don't know why this swamp is there. I don't know if it could be filled or there's a reason why it's left. But I think it's to preserve there are animals who live on the swamp, like turtles and tortoises, some bird. This swamp is just here, and also there are fishes in it. As you can see, a lot of people are fishing on the swamp, and it's really helpful to them, and it provides means of survival also. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also share with your friends, because that's the only way I could grow bigger and also get to educate more people, especially those who are not Nigerians, who wish to know what's going on in our country, and also create more awareness to the things that needs to be written home about. Anyways, my name is Emmanuel Bernard. I hope to see you on my next video, which I'll be dropping very soon, and likely you will love that one same way you definitely love this one. I'm on my way home now. I'm done with today's video, and I need to go get some rest actually, and also edit this video so I could post it before another content comes up and distracts me from this one. Anyways, see you guys on my next video. I really appreciate the love you guys are showing me on the comment section, and also so I'll be glad if you keep on showing me so love, and I'll also be glad if we could keep on working like this together, because we already have a lot of things to conquer together. You guys are my favorite viewers, as you know, and I love you all. Stay blessed.